If you like to eat Indo-Chinese, then you will love this recipe. This is very simple and yet very tasty mixed veg Manchurian with gravy, and it is very simple to make, and I'm going to show you with the vegetables that I have on my hand. So welcome to Sanam's kitchen, and please subscribe, and if you're new to my channel, please turn on those notification bells for the future uploads. So to make the mixed vegetable Manchurian with gravy, we are going to need some vegetables. So here I have two cauliflower florets, which I have food processed it fine, and then carrots and red capsicum. You can also choose vegetables like green beans. So here it's very fine, I have processed it. Now I'm going to add some green bell pepper, red bell pepper, and chopped cabbage, and the proportion does not matter. So then add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and then half a cup of all purpose flour. And then for spices, I'm going to use some black pepper and salt, and this is exclusive ingredient which I like to use for the health benefits. It's a flaxseed powder, and about 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, and then with a few tablespoons of water, mix the ingredients until it starts binding. Now the vegetables will release a lot of water, so you don't need a lot of water to make this like a dough. So do not add lot of water, just start binding it with the vegetables itself. Now when it's well binding, start making the balls like this, and then I'm going to deep fry it. Make sure the oil is medium hot, not too hot, otherwise it will be raw from the inside. Now continuously stirring, fry this until they are nice and golden. So here our Manchurian balls are ready. Now if you like dry Manchurian, then you can use this in that recipe as well, or eat it like a snack. Like I finished half of them before I finished the recipe. Now let's prepare the gravy. For that I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of oil in a wok, and then I'm going to add chopped ginger and chopped garlic. Let it sizzle for a few seconds, and then I'm going to add green chilies. You can skip it if you want, but I like it very spicy. Now I'm going to stir fry this for about a minute, and then I'm going to add finely chopped onions. You can also use spring onions, but I'm going to use this onion because I like the flavor. Now saute for about a minute, and then add red and green capsicum along with the chopped cabbage, and then season it with black pepper and soy sauce. Now saute for about a minute until everything is nicely done, and then I'm going to add some tomato ketchup, and then chili garlic paste. Depending on how spicy you want, you can add it. Now mix everything well, let it cook for a few minutes, and then I'm going to add about 1 cup of water to it. So adjust the water according to the consistency that you want. If you want thick, use less water. Now I'm going to take a bowl, and then with a few tablespoons of water, and then add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in it, and make the slurry. This will thicken up our gravy. So I'm going to add to the pan, and then mix it thoroughly so that no lumps forms, and then bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of Manchurian masala. This is ready-made spice mix. You can find at any grocery stores very easily. Now mix it well. You don't need to add salt as the masala has salt in it. So our gravy is ready. Now let's serve this, and it's looking very tempting. So I'm just going to pour the gravy on top of the balls and enjoy it. This is super delicious and super yummy and very easy to prepare. Garnish with some spring onion and you are ready to relish. So how you like this recipe, please let me know in the comments. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share with your foodie friends. So I'll see you next time with another simple recipe. Till then, bye bye.